outside, or even when it's not cold, the super always says, put it on bypass. Starring Brandon F. Campbell.
First things first, call the super. Gotta get access.
No. Damn, man, this is all the fucking SP. Alright, I see there's another door here.
I hate when it's a tough time getting access. Makes no sense.
No.
You would think somebody's waiting for me to give them heat.
No.
When it's this difficult to
No.
get access, I'm pretty sure the boiler's been running.
That was it, bro.
Now they got access, let's go.
Ain't that something? Alright, give me 5 minutes. Alright.
So I walk in. The first thing I look at is the system temperature on the heat timer. I see that it's like 120 something, so that tells me the boiler's been running. Heat went up. It made its way to the return, and it says cycle off, so that means it made established temperature. Let me call the super, see what's up.
100 minutes is kind of shaky to me. It normally says 60 minutes. So I don't know what you want me to do, bro, because it looks like it's making heat. The system temperature right now is at 120, 127. Yeah. Put it to the 60-minute cycle. Well, if I put it on bypass, the cycle thing won't even matter, bro. Yeah, if you tell me to leave it on bypass, the cycle thing won't even matter. Yes. I bet, but check it out. I don't know why it's at 100. I don't know if somebody put it. Just know that that's what I called him and he didn't pick up. So if we're gonna leave it on bypass, we could leave it on bypass, and then if you want me to, I don't know, to change it to 60, I could change it to 60, and I don't know if he's gonna say no, that one's supposed to be 100. I don't know why it's at 100 though. Because maybe that's the reason why people are complaining. Maybe it's staying off too long.
I think maybe it's staying off too long.
That's what I'm saying. So like, I can put the 60 and see and make a difference. And if you want, I can put it on bypass. Whatever you want me to do, bro. What you want me to do?
Yeah, put that shit on 60. Leave it on 60 for now, and then bypass it anyway. So they heat all night. I don't want to hear it. It's tomorrow morning, overnight. I don't want to be getting no emergency calls. And then we'll deal with this shit tomorrow morning.
Done. Got you, bro. It's done. All right. Thank you. All right, bye.
Okay, understand, if I put it on bypass, nothing else matters in the heat timer. It's just gonna bypass it. Oh yeah, this the end as well. Thank you for subscribing. Don't put it on bypass.